to drive this country forward. I was on exile. I was a director under General Dia. Thank God I was retired before that phantom coup. It was Baba who came after he was released that asked me to come back. And when the whole arrangement started, I was able to listen in. My great-grand-uncle was the first Nigerian politician in this country, and that is late Papa Ahmed Makarfi. It was him who carried out the establishment of a political party in 1922 and said, look, who are these Oyibo people that are here? That they went to universities with them. Some of them didn't even go to any university. That the solution for this country is not the way they are doing it. When they left, when the British left, Papa was up and down, going east, west, north, south. The beautiful part of it was that he said to them, look, we can manage ourselves. Queen Victoria created the amalgamation. She didn't bother. The British didn't bother whether you are culturally affiliated or not. But they planted two evils when they left here. And we are yet to solve those problems. What are the two evils? Tribalism and religious bigotry. Now, my great-grandfather was a reverend by the British. I don't know where he got that. I think they named him George. From Lagos State, Eleshi, George Eleshi. My great-grandmother was from Nupe. Now, if you come to Lagos, we have a place, Oshodi. The traditional masquerade of the Takpa people are still there till today. So when I hear people talk about tribalism, whatever, religious bigotry, my older sister married a Muslim. I sent her and her husband to the holy pilgrimage. She died. In fact, where they lived, they wanted to build a mosque. I contributed. The day she graduated from the Quranic school, I was there. She was born a Christian. She was raised a Christian. But she passed on last year. And I saw something at that burial. Gave me another introspection of what on earth is life all about. The way the Christians bury dead people and the way the Muslims bury, we need to, it's a lesson. Before I got to her house, she had been wrapped up. I said, what is this? She said, wrapped up. Yes, she's going. She died on the Salah day. The chief imam came and said, look, we need to quickly you must get to the mosque 10 minutes before 9 o'clock, because otherwise, after the prayers, people are going to slaughter the ram. Why can't we, in all honesty, stand with an organization? A rolling stone gathers no much. I have appealed to many of our people. Where are you going? You know, I got to a point where I said, I looked at them. Bola is inviting them, the president. Who knows Bola than me? The one who headed out now What was he doing with him from 1998? What was he doing? He would have been president of this country since 2007. Perpetually, he was undermining the governance that he served. I told him face to face, why are you doing this? Immediately, they now headed to ADC or whatever. I pleaded with them. And those of our friends who are there, I want to beg you. Tell them, this man threw him under the bus the first time. He couldn't get the ticket in 2007. Now, those who are still going there, tell the truth to power. Why should you be afraid? We're already on the 8th floor of life. There is no organization anywhere, political or otherwise, even management, that will never have any crisis. But your competence, your ability to sit, shut the doors, tell yourself some serious home truths, will be a measure of your competence to the public that are looking forward to you to say, let me follow this party. They know us. They are asking for us. Please, those who are still friendly there, tell them. Because after the convention period, the party is sealed. Even if we have few who are committed, who are dedicated, who are selfless, we will win. Because Nigerians know this party than any other party. I beg you, tell my stories to them. That's why all these young boys at the television station, they won't let me rest. I will tell you the truth. What am I afraid for? I beg you. And those of you who are still here, you remain the agents of this party. You remain the only source of truth, justice, and fairness for Nigeria. I can't see any solution from any other political party except grab power, share the money, father, son, and the wife. Is that what you want for your country? We suffered it. We know who this character is. I beg you. I beg you. I beg you. When we go on from now, let us exercise one thing: the trust in the Almighty God. If you put your trust in God, you fear nobody. I plead with you. It is possible. It is just self-inflicted wahala we have put ourselves. We will resolve it. In particular, let me talk to my brothers from the Southeast. I have 2 beautiful children, 3, who are products of Southeast. I beg you. There is nothing, you can't win all the time. But if it is in the corporate interest of this great nation, please, when the time comes for you, nobody can stop it. The Almighty God has decided that it is your turn. Wait for that your turn. Sometimes you ask God, he says, no, it's not yet time. Why are you angry? By the time it will be your turn, you won't even, you won't have any problems. It shall be well with our country. Let me leave you with this. I have something here which I want to read to you. The earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. The earth provides enough for every man's needs, but not enough for every man's greed. Let our party rise. Let us be the advertisers for this great party. Prof, I want to thank you for this opportunity. We will from today reenact what he has done here in every zone to make sure that the party has resurrected. We had our crisis. We've been able to resolve the crisis. We are moving forward, and with God behind us, we will reach that land of freedom. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please, can we give him another resounding applause? Thank you. Thank you. As we move on this afternoon, I'd like to invite very great Amazon, of course, very vocal and amazing woman in the political space here in Nigeria. I will be